to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. My name is Natalie. If you're new here, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube things. This that you see right now is pretty much the most effort that is going into my appearance today because I probably will not leave my apartment. It is 11 o'clock right now on a Sunday. I am gonna use this day to get my life together, as I feel most people do on Sundays. I'm gonna try to make it as productive as possible, which means preparing food for the week, cleaning, doing my laundry, starting to get ahead for some work stuff, homework as well, because I am a master's student at Georgetown University. Yes, I do live in Austin, Texas now, but I switched over to the online program. I do have homework assignments due every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm just in one class right now because the job that I have is super crazy, super busy, and that's also why I need to work a little bit today to get ahead of what I know is gonna be a really busy week. I'm gonna try and knock out some things today to try to set me up for success this week. My little kitten will not stop crying. He has discovered the balcony, which maybe is a bad habit, but he loves sitting outside. I put up this mesh stuff in front of the balcony bars so he can't go through them, and it's worked really well. He hasn't figured out how to climb them, and I hope he never does. He just keeps crying this morning. I don't really know why. He was on the balcony and he was crying. So he came back inside and he was crying. And now he wants to go back outside, so he's crying. And he doesn't stop crying unless I pick him up. See, now he's being an angel. He's all calm now that I'm holding him and giving him attention. But we cuddled all morning, so I don't really know why he's being so whiny. So whiny? Oh, now he's getting wiggly. I am also gonna try to attempt to organize a couple of things around my apartment, and I'll probably have to move some stuff around because my boyfriend is moving here in pretty much a week and a half, I think. And I'm so excited, but I have to put together some shelves for the kitchen cabinets. I need to clear space in the closet for him. And honestly, I can't do a lot of that until I order a dresser, so that's also on the to-do list today. So that being said, let's get the day started. I'm starting by eating this breakfast that I made 30 minutes ago that I still haven't gotten into yet. I cut up a pear, and this is an omelet with this truffle cheese from Trader Joe's, which sounds weird, but it's so freaking good. I've been hyper fixated on it for 2 months now since it came out in stores. Bobby, can you tell me what's wrong?
Hobo.
What are you doing? This is for my kitchen cabinets, so I hope it's easy to put together. The problem is that my kitchen cabinets are just a messy mess. We've got our cabinet shelf. One of my many talents is absolutely destroying boxes. Basically, if I ever need to return things, then good luck. Oh man, there's screws and a little baby screwdriver in here. That means I have to actually construct it. Dang it, can I just leave this for my boyfriend to do? I don't like building things. That's his job. The first one done. Woo! And yeah, there's 4 of them. And it's very sturdy, it's metal. I like it. And it's nice, it's white. A lot of my furniture is white. As you can see, it doesn't fit in here properly, so I have to put it on the second one. This is the before of my pantry. Obviously, it's a mess, especially on, well, honestly, on both shelves. We'll see what we can do to fix it. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. Okay, here we go. I made it a little bit better. Coffee in here, tea in there, extra coffee up top, a bunch of baked goods. that I use for Bobby. I'm gonna switch to the clumping litter pretty soon because honestly he just kicks this up everywhere and makes a big mess and it's really annoying. Obviously I'm changing his litter, which I try to do once a week. He just gets messy, and I think his sign of telling me that his litter box needs to be changed is he just starts kicking the litter up everywhere. So Bobby has a little bit of an attitude. Time to Swiffer the floors. I pretty much stock up on these things maybe twice a month or something, more than that sometimes, I don't know. I try to make them last for as long as I can, but I do have all wood floors in this apartment, and because I have a little kitten, then they get dirty a little bit quicker. Like I said, he's kind of messy. Honestly, all the ones that are left in here, probably like 7, are probably all gonna be used right now. So as you can tell, it is a bit of a mess over here. I see the problem is that Bobby likes to sleep in that basket. I can't really put his toys in there because then he gets upset. He's getting a little bit too big for the basket. I told him that he had to come inside, so now he's being pouty.
Why is all your stuff on the ground? Want me to clean up all your stuff? It's beautiful. Oh.
I think I will actually just use this basket because he's starting to outgrow it. He's getting a little too big for it. And, oh, it's covered in his fur. I just don't have anywhere else to put his toys because I keep forgetting to go out and buy a basket for his toys. He says, uh-oh, what are you doing with my basket? See? See, do you see this thing? He got in his basket because it is like his favorite thing. Do you see the problem? Hi, Bobo. Ew, there's a cricket over here. There's a cricket on his toy. It's dead. Oh, that's disgusting. It's dead. That is the thing about living in Austin that I did not know. There is like a cricket infestation problem. Where I work is just absolutely swarmed in crickets. Like there's crickets falling from the ceiling. It is so bad. And they're just everywhere. And I just find them dead in the apartment. It's his afternoon nap time, so he's done for the day. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning and Swiffering the floors. I guess maybe later I'll clean my bathroom. That's always like my least favorite thing to do. I have to do some work and stuff before that, and like that homework that I mentioned. As you can tell, I've gotten like more and more disheveled as the day has gone on. Like my ponytail is now a side ponytail. We're gonna take a brief intermission to make a cute little fall drink. What else would be more fitting than to put this fall drink in? Of course, a pumpkin cup. It says mix 1 part coffee concentrate to 2 parts milk or water. So I'm just gonna pour a half of a cup of this gross coffee stuff. And then I'll do 1 cup of this because there needs to be more of the milk base. It comes out like, you give it a mix. I have my little like mixy thing. Here comes the kitten again. Oh my gosh. Come on. Use the mixy thing. Let's try it. Okay. Well, it doesn't taste like anything. It tastes better than just the straight like pumpkin cold brew because that stuff is nasty. But like I'm really disappointed because last year this was so good and it doesn't really taste like anything right now. I'm not doing a very convincing job. Anyways, here's my coffee. My kind of failed experiment, but it's for the vibes. Cheers. Another fall thing, I made a boo basket for my boyfriend because I wanted to surprise him with a couple of just like fall fun things. There's some candy in here at the front, and then there's a pumpkin carving kit so we can carve pumpkins. Cake pop mix that we can make together. I have some like protein bars in here. I got him some soap and shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And then I put it in this cute little cat bowl because obviously we have our kitten. I got him a boo bag last year too, and I get him Easter basket, so it's like my thing. Okay, I did it. I went to Costco, so I just got here. John sent me a little bit of money to go buy him some things that he needs. He does not have a Costco membership, so I'm in charge of getting those things. I need to get him some protein shakes, and he's really into Gatorade Zero right now, so I'm gonna see if they have that. I, on the other hand, am still obsessed with Poppy, the best drink ever, which apparently they're actually headquartered in Austin, which I didn't know, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go inside. Okay, this is like super weird, but I just had to scan my card physically on like a real scanner, so I guess they're really cracking down on who can enter the store and who can't. Mary Chrysler. Here's John's protein stuff, but he's not answering, so I don't know what to get him. Costco. It's gonna take me a little while to bring all those boxes inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my dinner started, which is my soup that I will make, and then it pretty much ends up being leftovers for lunch for the rest of the week and sometimes dinner. So it makes a lot, especially for one person. Bobby's investigating my Costco haul. I'm gonna do a quick haul while my soup is on the stove. I got some Gatorade Zero for my boyfriend, and then in that same vein, I got some Poppy, which, okay, it's not electrolytes, but still, I like it, so this is my drink of choice. And then I got these Swiffer pad things as a refill for the ones that I was talking about earlier. Another drink for my wonderful boyfriend. He likes these Premier protein things. They have 30 grams of protein in them. I don't care for them, but maybe I can use like my Ninja Creamy or something. And then I got these animal crackers, which literally are so freaking good. If you've never had them before, you must try them. They are amazing and very addictive. And then I got some apples, very simple, but I ran out of apples, so I needed some more. Almost done here. I got some of the clumping cat litter that I was talking about earlier. This is the Purina brand. It's also the lightweight one, which basically means that I didn't have to carry 42 pounds of cat litter up the stairs. I got some Sun Chips in the variety pack. I love Sun Chips, like, so much. They're one of my favorite snacks. And then the very last thing that I got were paper towels. That is everything that I got from Costco. Actually, I lied. There is one more thing, but my camera was propped up on it. I got some of these glass Tupperware containers. Make my soup recipe a little bit different than I usually do, so that's tragic and disappointing, but we will see how it tastes with tomato soup instead of actual diced tomatoes. I don't know, I hope it doesn't taste like straight tomato soup, because then I will be sad, because this is supposed to last me for the rest of the week. I mean, it's really hot. It's good. Like, it's good, I like it, but it does taste a little tomato soupy. I am gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. The only thing that I have to do for the rest of the night is do stuff on my computer, so I will be typing the night away. I still have to do my homework assignment, and it's 7 o'clock, so oops. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all the YouTube things. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, or let me know what you want to see. Okay, bye.